Our Modloc here is totally modular. It gives us the capabilities of running hydraulics inside, and also makes things lighter. As far as you've got hydraulics here, we've got the quick change couplings that you can take this off, and that stays with the fixture plate, so now you can store it that way. We also have another way of doing it with a quick change hydraulic coupler. On this side, the plate is hydraulically ported. This is a hydraulic, we're using this top block as a hydraulic manifold. Okay. This gives us the capabilities of taking this and making it a quick change hydraulic fixture, so that you don't have to dedicate a column for it. You can run your job and store your hydraulic fixture, and then come back and use them when you need to run it again. And here is the quick disconnect, male end, female end on the hydraulic port. It's made by Vectec. Okay. You can see how we've got the hydraulic lines on the other one, and how clean the other plate is compared. You've got the lines versus the ported one has nothing showing. Everything's internal to the plate. Got no hydraulics showing on the outside, so that way you have protection. And we also have it on this side. No lines on either side. This is a hydraulic manifold. Has the valves on it so you can shut the hydraulics off, so that you can disconnect your hydraulics and send it in. This is your quick change coupling. This is what you would activate your hydraulics with. Once you turn your hydraulics off, you throw the handles, would release the pressure on the parts. So now you can take them out and re-energize it. Then you close the handles off. Then you could take the hydraulic line off and send it into your machine and run your hydraulics that way.
Show the fixture plate limit.
This one over here, this is our manual side. Locators extract. This has our hanger on it. As you can see now, this plate has no locators in it, and it's hanging in position. There is our hanger stud, and the hanger plate is on the other side. This gives us the capabilities of hanging your fixture plate in position within 15 thousandths, so that when the locator goes in, it'll raise up and locate your plate.
Show the bushing down there.
Here's the bushing. And the locator, those are the two you do first. Now your plate is in position. The other ones are clearance, and they're just used for hold downs.
Showtime.
Okay. We've got quick knobs for our speed lock, which is this. It gives us the capabilities of turning it in and out with your hand. Okay, like this. and screwing it in. You can also take it off when you're in, or you can leave it there and you could put an Allen wrench in there and tighten it down tighter if you want. Okay. We also have modified your typical angle clamp so that it'll fit into one of our receivers. That way you can actually take it, screw it in place, and accurately change a clamp if it has to be that. It has to be in that same position. So now you've got more strength because you're in a solid steel versus aluminum, and it also is accurately placed. Okay. This is our standard subplate. It has an array of receivers. As you can see, we've got a couple different plates on it. As we loosen them, they extract. So that means you can take them and grab and remove them with ease. Okay. Now that you don't have any pins in here, these plates come right off. Now this plate has a hanger in it so that we can actually take this plate and substitute it, change it with the one on our horizontal. We can take this one, take this one off, put this one on, and take this one back and put it on over here.
Show the, you don't have to go through all that, just show the,
This here? Okay. Now, the keystone plate is designed for a double station vise up to 6 inches wide. Gives us the capability of running 4 of these across on a 40-inch table. Without the keystone plate, if you mounted your vise on a square plate, you can only get 3 on. Okay. Now we also can take these plates, if the pattern array is on your column, you can also take and hang that on a horizontal column also.